JLC-Tech, we have designed a product specifically for the perimeter, a comprehensive solution understanding all the nuances involved in coordination and installation.
Most perimeter lighting solutions on the market are designed to be installed independently from the ceiling system, creating difficulties with the specification process and installation process.
Following JLC-Tech's philosophy, our perimeter lighting solution is a result of our extensive ceiling knowledge and lighting background.
Here at JLC-Tech, we're always looking for ways to harmonize lighting and ceiling integration. It's what we do. It's in our DNA. Our most recent venture has brought us to our new perimeter lighting product, GIRO.
Like our other products, we've designed GIRO to be one with the ceiling. The housing is created to function as a ceiling element, complete with simple ceiling assembly features. It installs like a typical perimeter trim, allowing for easy transition from ceiling to wall without the need for extra ceiling components.
We all know that construction outcomes often differ from original plans. GIRO's design keeps specifications straightforward. The ceiling cross tees and main runners intersect directly to its housing with simple to install twist clips.
This clip is compatible with any ceiling grid, and it also is designed to fit both flat and tegular tiles and will hide cut tiles along the edge of the room. GIRO is not limited to just suspended grid ceilings. It can also be used with gypsum ceilings.
Like typical perimeter trim, GIRO's housing is specified in lengths and cut to size in the field. There's no need to specify angles, corners, geometric shapes, or grid type. Installation is simple and flexible for contractors. So when you specify GIRO, there are no unexpected changes.
After the housing is installed and the rest of the ceiling has been assembled, the light modules can snap right into place. GIRO is a 24-volt, low-voltage product similar to the other JLC-Tech products. 100-watt remote power supply will still power up to 12 feet of GIRO light modules. GIRO's light module is available in 3 different optics. A graze optic to highlight textured wall surfaces, an ambient optic for even wall illumination, and a cove glow optic providing more light at the ceiling to wall transition.
GIRO offers an efficient solution for perimeter lighting, adapting harmoniously to the field conditions, ensuring as specified results.
In line with our sustainability philosophy, we've engineered a prefabricated housing that doubles as a ceiling element, reducing waste and simplifying installation.
As an integrated ceiling element, GIRO simplifies the installation and specification process. Pairing GIRO with our other lighting products will create an unparalleled and dynamic statement for your next project.